Welcome to MultiTeach. Here is an overview of the Geography app in MultiTeach. Select the Geography icon from the display menu. This will open up a selection screen where you'll have two choices, Countries of the World and Cities and Countries. Countries of the World opens with directions. The goal is to drag flag tiles to the correct tags on a map. If a tile is placed incorrectly, a flashing glow appears, allowing for self-correction. Feedback is given at the end of each round. Next, we'll open up Cities and Countries, leading to a selection screen containing 35 countries. The goal is to drag the names of cities to the correct tags. After all items are placed, incorrect ones will give off a flashing red glow, allowing for self-correction. Positive feedback is provided after each round. Geography can be played by more than one student as a standalone app. It also works well on a display using the Zones feature with related lessons from the MultiTeach Lessons community. Select the corner icon to open the side menu, then select the Zones icon to bring up the Zone selection screen. Select the Tabletop Zones icon to arrange the Geography app and related lessons for a group of students using the display in tabletop mode, as a learning station, or other form of group work. This has been an overview of the Geography app in Snowflake MultiTeach. For more information about MultiTeach, the MultiTeach Lessons community, and lessons online, visit these links.